Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One and this is another one stop watch video. Actually this video is gonna be 2-in-1 because last week it snowed and this week it still snow there, so there's nothing else to really show. Pretty much everything has been harvested and anything that's left we will have to see if it survives. But listen, don't get discouraged because I have a bunch of projects coming on my channel in my DIY section, and if you haven't checked out my DIY section, you are missing out on saving money, tips, and so much more. Okay, you guys? Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification button so you won't miss out on any of my videos that are coming out. Okay, you guys? My first son and I are not about this cold life. We ain't got time for cold feet or paws. We going in, okay? Now, once again, this one-stop wash 2-in-1 video is going to be really short because it's really nothing to show, okay? All right, but let's get into this video, okay? Because we are not about this life. First up is the mint. This is week 26 and 27 mint. As you can see, you guys, is nothing there. I'm cold. This is week 17 and 18 garlic. It is garlic with snow on top. You guys, I slowed the video down, but it's really nothing to see but snow on top of pots. Moving on to the garden, and this is the kale, which has snow on top. I'm so sorry, you guys, but this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, I know it's really quick, click that subscribe button. Bye. More videos like this, click here.